If you want to doze off while rewatching your favorite TV show or play some sleep sound, then you can set a sleep timer on your Sony Bravia Google 4K TV so that it turns off automatically after a specific time. So let me show you how you can turn on or turn off sleep timer on your Sony Smart TV from the settings shortcut. Turning on sleep timer on your Sony TV is very simple. Just open the quick panel by pressing the settings button on your remote. And from this list, you need to find sleep timer. Now using the D-pad of your remote, go up or down and select your desired time after which you want your TV to turn off automatically. You can go all the way up to 2 hours. And if you want to disable it, then go down and select off. And then the sleep timer will be cancelled. And after that you can just exit out and the timer will start running. And after the timer runs out, your TV will enter sleep mode on its own. So now you can fall asleep knowing that your TV won't turn on all night long. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more.